Hello, my name is Emily, and I currently live at home with my mom, Rebecca. We have one dog named Holly, and I have a brother named Corey. He recently had his first son, whose name is Maverick. I currently work for family and go to Columbus State Community College part-time. Hello, my name is Emily, and I currently live at home with my mother, Rebecca. We have one dog named Harley, and I also have a brother named Corey, who recently had his first son, Maverick. I currently work for family and go to Columbus State part-time.